Hey, it's Bay, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Gigabyte Aero 15X. There aren't many unboxing videos on this laptop, so I just thought I should make one. The Aero 15X comes in two versions, and the only difference between them are the panels that are used. The one I have is the 1080p 144Hz version, but you can also get the 4K version that has 100% Adobe RGB, which is great if you're into content creating. However, I chose the 1080p version because of the 144Hz refresh rate, it's cheaper, and it's also very color accurate. It's not as accurate as the 4K version, but the 1080p 144Hz version is X-Rite Pantone certified, which is great. The 1080p 144Hz model goes for $2,300 and the 4K model goes for $2,500. If you want to save a little bit of money, you can go with the Aero 15W that has a GTX 1060. Other than the displays, I think the feature that makes these newer laptops stand out from the previous generation is the new 8th gen Intel processor inside of them. These laptops come with the i7-8750H, which is very powerful, and it has 6 cores. Inside the box, you first see the laptop itself, and it's wrapped in a little sleeve. Under that, you get a box, and that's pretty much it. Inside, you get your power adapter and power cord for charging. You also get the manual, paperwork, and stuff like that, but we don't have to go through that in this video. I ordered this laptop from Newegg, and I got a keyboard skin for free. It helps to keep dust and stuff like that from getting into the keys. The shipping was really quick. I ordered it on Monday, April 16, and got it on Wednesday, April 18. They shipped the skin separately, and I actually got the skin on Tuesday, which was pretty much overnight shipping. Shipping may vary depending on where you live, of course. Anyways, when I first took out the laptop, I noticed how thin it was considering how much power this thing packs. The thickness is 0.78 inches, and I knew that before buying the laptop, but you just have to see it to believe it. It also felt pretty dense and sturdy when I picked it up. The Aero 15X weighs 4.62 pounds, which isn't that heavy compared to my previous 6-pound gaming laptop. 1.4 pounds really does make a difference, especially if you're carrying your laptop in your backpack with other stuff. The power brick is a little bit smaller than my old laptop's one, but it's still on the larger side. You're not skimping out on any ports when you get this laptop. You get an Ethernet port, 3 USB-As, HDMI, Mini DP 1.4, Thunderbolt 3, a combo audio jack, and a UHS 2 SD card reader. All these ports make it perfect for content creating. There aren't many videos on the boot up times on this laptop either, so I thought I should include that in this video. The Aero 15X can boot up and will be ready to go in under 30 seconds, which is blazing fast. My old laptop takes a couple of minutes to boot up, and it takes extra time for it to load the applications after you sign in. The RGB keyboard is really cool, but the 144Hz display is what really caught my eye. Going from a 60Hz to a 144Hz display is awesome, and you can really tell the difference. It helps a lot when gaming, but even if you don't play games, you will still enjoy the higher refresh rate. The thin bezels also make the viewing experience much better in my opinion. The bezels are only about 5mm, which is very thin, but they did have to compromise by putting the webcam down on the bottom of the display. That isn't a very big deal for me because I don't really use the webcam very often. When gaming, the fans do kick up and they are very audible. I'm used to it though because my old laptop would actually get louder than this. But I also wear headphones or earphones while gaming, so it doesn't really matter much to me. That was my unboxing, first impressions, and boot up video of the Gigabyte Aero 15X. I'm really happy with this laptop and hopefully it lasts longer than my older one did. I've actually owned my old laptop for about 5 years now, and I've given it to my brother to use. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Leave me a comment telling me what laptop you want and tell me why you want it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace!